Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galactic Under Education. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, refraction of light and a prism. Before I start this video, I will remember you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start this video with an interesting investigation. We can take a beaker and a pencil. If we put a pencil in this beaker, it will look like it is broken. But before I start this investigation, I will remember you the condition how the reflection cause. First condition, let's we take here with a plane surface. It is a rarer region and it is a denser region. Rarer region means less density and a denser region means higher density. Rarer region thinner area or a denser region thicker area. Rarer region like air and a denser region like water. Air has a less density and water has a thicker density. Here when a ray of light coming from rarer region to a denser region forming a normal, the ray of light has to go like this, but it will come closer to a normal. It is deviated from their path. What is the definition of diffraction? The phenomena due to which the ray of light get deviated from their path is called a refraction. In this condition, when a ray of light coming from a rarer region to a denser region, it came closer to a normal. Here, this ray of light before going from a rarer to a denser region, at a point of incident, this ray of light is called a ray of incident, and after going in a denser region, this light get deviated from their path and this ray is called a ray of refraction. For here forming an angle with an incident and a normal, this angle is called an angle of incident. Here forming an angle with a refracted ray and a normal is called an angle of refraction. In this condition, we have to remember that the ray of light go from a rarer region to a denser region, it came closer to a normal. Same rule for here. Ray of light coming from sun go to a denser region forming a normal, it get deviated from their path and meeting in this, striking here, it go and forming a normal here and moving to a denser region to a rarer region. In this condition, when a ray of light moving from a denser to a rarer, it move away from normal, means here it strike. When it move, get reflected back from a denser region to a rarer region, forming a normal of 90 degree, it move away from normal. Here it is deviated, means ray of light moving from denser region to a rarer region, it move away from normal. In same condition here followed. When it move away from normal, if our eyes is here, then our eyes understand that from where the ray is coming, the image form there. Then this ray is coming from here, then the image form here. Today we are going to discuss a various condition of how the ray moves from rarer region to a denser region. Let's check the another condition. Let's start the condition. Here we have already learned the two conditions. First condition, when a ray of light coming from rarer region to a denser region, it came closer to a normal. And the second condition, when a ray of light gets reflected to a rarer region to a ray of light gets reflected from a denser region to a rarer region, it gets away from a normal. In this condition, third condition, when a ray of light coming from normal itself. Let's take this is a normal. When a ray of light coming from normal itself with a 90-degree angle, it can get reflected from a normal itself. Means it here in a rarer and a denser region, both condition, the ray of light cannot deviate from the path because it is coming from normal itself. Here ray of light is coming from normal and it gets reflected to a normal. Many of you people have this question, why this condition form? Let's take it is a water and it is a air. We are seeing from here to a water. Our eyes is here. We are seeing to a water at a 90-degree angle. You will see from 90 degree. Then your the ray of light will be reflected from here. Here reflected in our eyes. Then our eyes will think that the image from here. That image from here. See, the ray of light coming from normal get reflected back to a normal. This condition form. Now we are going to learn about a prism. What is a prism? How the ray of light passes from a prism, and what is a white light? What is a white light? Let's start. Hello friends. Now we are going to discuss a new topic, prism. Prism. What is a prism? Prism allow the white light to. We know that a white light. What is a white light? White light is a combination of 7 colors. That if we place a white light in a front of prism, it is get diverged into a 7 color. First color is red, second orange, third yellow, fourth green, fifth blue, sixth indigo, and seventh violet. We can remember this by this word with joy. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. This is not topic. Our topic is prism. Prism. How the prism formed? How this is conclude that a white light placed front of prism, it can be diverged into a 7 color. We know the very famous scientist Isaac Newton. Newton opened a window and placed a cardboard with a small pin hole. He placed a prism like a rectangular prism, shiny prism. Then the ray coming from a window. Let's it is a window. Newton placed a cardboard and put a small hole, and here is a prism. Here is a prism. The ray coming from window, sunlight, touching to a prism, diverge into a 7 color. 7 color. What is the 7 color? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. This concludes that the white light touching a prism has been diverged to a 7 color. So our topic is clear. What is a prism and refraction of light. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Galaxy Canada Education. So thank you.